Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicole Concilio and welcome to the video. So, if you are new here, I'm sorry that this is the first video you're watching. Someone has been commenting on my Instagram posts, on sending me DMs. They have been commenting on my YouTube videos, requesting me to do a makeup tutorial and / do my makeup in the shower. And every time I see this comment, I just laugh hysterically because I'm like, oh my God, what a disaster area that could be. But I also feel like there's a lot of negativity going on right now in the community, and why not do a funny video, a silly video, a whatever type of video you want to call this. Also, I feel low-key like I'm channeling my inner Jenna Marbles because you guys are asking me to do something and I'm doing it. Now, the person that was asking me this was not saying it in a perverted way whatsoever. It wasn't like they wanted me to be naked in the shower, so don't worry about that. I know I posted a tweet and some people were like, ew, that's disgusting. And I was like, no, it did not come off that way. Also, make sure you tag your favorite YouTubers and tell them to do this challenge as well, because I feel like this could be just like a funny, stupid, yet educational video, because you could see what, I guess, makeup products hold up in the heat, in the steam. I have no idea. So yeah, I have my makeup bag right here of all my products, got my brushes ready to go, and my compact mirror. Now, I feel like, obviously, I'm not gonna sit here and be like, yeah, let's do my makeup right underneath the shower, but you know what, I am in the shower. So, without further ado, let's get into this video. I hope you guys like it, hope it makes you laugh, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, so the water's on. We got our shower going. All right, let's start it off. First, I'm gonna go in with some primer. Quench primer, if you will. I can't tell if my hands are just wet or if it's the primer. All right, let's start with foundation. I'm gonna use the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I know a lot of people were like so mad that I was using this as a foundation, but it literally says multi-use in it, all right? So cut me some slack. All right, so let's apply this to the face. Just all over. You know, the good thing about this is that I don't have to get up to wet my beauty blender. I have a bunch of water right here, so wet it. Ooh, actually, I should clean this because this is filthy. Oh, do you guys see how dirty this is? Ew. Okay, you guys, let's blend. My face is soaking wet, but my skin doesn't feel dry, which is nice. Okay, I think that's pretty good coverage. I can't really tell or see what I'm doing exactly, so my mirror's all fogged. I'm actually getting cold from not standing in the shower. All right, let's do our contour. I am using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour contour, and I'm using the concealer. This is so funny. I think this is the weirdest place I've ever done my makeup. All right, so let's blend her out. This is really funny because my face is actually pretty wet right now from all of the shower splashes coming off of the shower head onto my face. This is super interesting. My hands are getting pruny. You know what? I will say the steam from the shower is making everything blend really easily, so there's a plus side to it all, I guess. Okay, how are we looking, guys? Because I really can't tell. All right, so now it's time to set everything. I'm a little bit nervous, okay? Using the Tarte Shape Tape Powder, and I'm just gonna go in and set everything. Okay, we setting away all of our problems, hunty. Just set them away. Gotta set our eyelids too, okay? We don't want them to feel left out in any way, shape, or form. Now I'm gonna set the other eye. On the real though, this powder has been my favorite lately, the Shape Tape powder. It's been pretty bomb. Okay, so I feel like that powder looks pretty good. So I'm going to wipe it all away with my Morphe E3 brush. And then I feel like we should start with our eyes, although I am a little bit nervous. So I am making it pretty easy on myself. I'm gonna use this bronzer from Marc Jacobs as a transition shade in my crease. Just like so, y'all. So I have the ColourPop Jelly Much right here. This is the shade Short Circuit. So I'm gonna be applying that to the entire lid. All right, so here we go. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. Can you guys see that? It's so pretty. And then doing the same thing over here to this eye. Okay, beesh. So let's do a wing, like let's go big or go home. All right guys, so I'm gonna do a wing. Gotta wipe off my mirror, it is so foggy. Whew, this requires utter concentration. Okay, not bad. I really can't see because it's so foggy, but I don't think it's that bad. Oh God, they are not even at all. All right, mascara time, if you will. I'm gonna pop on the NARS Climax Mascara. Ooh, mascara is hard in the shower, y'all. This is like pure liquid right now. Oh, then we got our lily lashes. Oh God, I'm nervous. And I'm using my Velour Lash Glue, popping it on. I will tell you this much, my face makeup feels phenomenal. Okay, not bad. I just hope it stays. The camera's starting to get fogged. All right, lashes are having a really hard time staying on, so I'm trying my best not to blink that much. So let's move on to our bronzer contour. All right, for contour, I'm using the Marc Jacobs. Ooh, my brushes are wet. Oh, ew, my brushes feel disgusting, you guys. Oh, they're like soggy and humid. All right, I got a nose contour. Oh yes, snatch that nose, hunty. Now I need to blush it up. That's some nice little blush. Oh, it's a raining man. Hallelujah, it's raining man. It's raining makeup. All right, to highlight, I'm taking Kylie Cosmetics Champagne Showers. Look at my mirror, how fogged it is. All right, let's highlight this fish. Ooh. You know, there's just something with the humidity and a highlighter that just makes it look so pretty. I feel like I'm doing my makeup in the middle of the rainforest right now. All right, to finish this look off, I'm going in with Jeffree Star Cosmetics Celebrity Skin Lipstick. Oh, shit. And then I'm gonna finish this off with some MAC Fix Plus. Not that I freaking need it in this heat. All right, I just shut the shower off. And this right here is the finished makeup look. I'm actually impressed with myself, okay? It doesn't even look that bad. The only thing that is weird going for me is the lashes. I feel them like poking up for sure, especially because I didn't use like a waterproof lash glue or anything like that. But for the most part, I feel like this isn't that bad at all. I'm actually pretty impressed with myself, not to toot my own horn. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it made you laugh. I hope, I don't know, I just hope it made you guys laugh and hope it made, you know, a little bit more positivity into your lives. But I love you guys so much and thank you for requesting this. I feel really stupid, but I was able to do it, so. All right, you guys, I love you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you tag your favorite MUAs or just YouTubers in general to do this challenge, because I feel like it could be funny to see like other YouTubers do this, especially Jenna Marbles. I really want her to do it. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all of the love. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.